Welcome, in front of me I have LG Q6 and today I will show you how you can add widgets. You have to click and hold your home screen, then pick widgets at the left bottom corner. Right now you have to pick that widget that you want to apply on your home screen. So in my case I will probably choose maybe the Smart Doctor Optimize. Click, hold and then drag it for the screen that you want to apply. I'm going for this one for the second screen, then release. And as you can see, this widget appear on the screen, and when I tap on it, it will be optimizing my smartphone. You can for sure click and hold it and remove that widget by tapping on the X and click remove. As you can see, it's very simple. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.